Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the submit information to access your funds. First, log into your PayPal account, click Help, then type Resolution Center in the search bar. Click on the What is the Resolution Center link to open it. Review the details about the limitation in your account and check the required documents. Commonly requested documents include valid government-issued photo ID, example, passport or driver's license, proof of address, example, utility bill or bank statement, and proof of business or transaction details if applicable. Upload your documents, make sure they are clear, legible, and match your PayPal account information. Wait for PayPal to review your submission. This may take several days. And that's it. That's how to fix the submit information to access your funds using in PayPal. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.